Only one, my friend, okay?
Okay, thank you. No problem. It's a big enough to have a PK with you for one time. It's okay.
Yeah,
Well,
just one.
so
Okay.
how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Well, so where are you from?
I'm from Montenegro.
What is that?
This is Europe, close to Italy.
Europe. Oh, just near of Italy?
Yeah, near Italy.
Oh, okay.
Near Italy, Serbia, near Albania.
What language do you speak?
I speak English, I speak Russian, and little bit Serbian. Originally, I'm Russian, but I live in Europe.
Yeah, now I got you. But already you owned so many languages like Russia, Italian, English. But you speak English very good. So could you tell me how did you learn English?
Okay, my second high education is English teacher. It's the first. And second, when I was 20 something, I moved to abroad, out of Russia. So all like a half of my life, I live in English, around the people who speak in English. So that's why.
Okay. So you mean after 20s, you just move around the globe like in English country, and that's why you got this fluency.
Yes, yes. I was working in the hotel, I was working in reception, so I could communicate with a lot of accent, a lot of different people who speak English. So that's why.
Yeah, fair enough. But I'm learning English. That because I'm using this application. So many people are using this application in different context, in different idea. But my intention is to learn English. So, what is the best technique to improve English speaking skills?
I think this is the best technique what you're doing now, but your English is good enough to stop learning at all. What is your goal? To go to Oxford? What is your goal? I mean, you speak English good. It's enough to communicate, to work. It's enough everything.
All right.
Fine.
Yeah, all right. My goals is not going to the Oxford, but I want to be an international blogger. That's why I want to improve my speaking skills, diving into the native speaker with the different communities like you.
Okay, that's enough. Your level is enough, and now if you asking my my advice or my opinion, learn more. How to say it, more like a street language.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like more, not like reading books, right? It does not have to be right grammar and everything. You just have to learn some.
Oh,
just more talk with the.
You mean just I need to enhance more vocabulary, just talking to the different communities people, and that's way we should go through.
Yeah, just practice, just talk, just practice. That's it.
So, what do you do for work? If you say,
I'm psychologist.
Psychologist. Oh, okay. So, what do you think within this time? What do you think about myself within this time?
I'm not sure because you need to come to my session because now I'm just having like a fun, I'm not working now, so it's not professional now.
Wow.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so thank you so much. It was really a significant moment and very conducive. Thank you so much for coming up. Cheers for now.
Okay, see you. You're welcome.